Hi, this is Manami. Tonight I'm at Tokyo DisneySea with a Weeknight Passport, and I'm excited to show you how I like to spend an evening here. For me, entering the park in the afternoon or evening is all about slowing down and enjoying the little things. Instead of rushing from place to place, I prioritize what I really want to do, and that helps me make the most of my time. Let's take it easy and see what kind of magic this evening holds. First of all, before heading inside, I made a quick stop to grab the limited time sticker available outside the park. It's always fun to collect these little seasonal extras. They're such a cute keepsake. Once I entered the park, I couldn't resist taking some time to soak in the stunning Christmas decorations. The entrance is beautifully adorned with festive ornaments, lights, and of course, Christmas trees. If you're a fan of holiday decor, this is the perfect spot to pause for photo or simply enjoy the festive vibe. Just as I was about to head to American Waterfront, I came across a child who seemed to be lost. Thankfully, cast members are always quick to step in during situations like this, so I asked for their assistance right away. Once everything was taken care of, I made my way to the iconic Christmas tree near the SS Columbia. This view is one of my favorite. It's breathtaking, especially at night with all the light reflecting. It's a must-see at DisneySea during this season. Next, I've decided to take some time to do a bit of shopping. There are so many DisneySea exclusive items, so I wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. After exploring the shops, I was able to pick up exactly what I was looking for.
Okay, don't take so many already. Put back, please. Thank you. Put back everything.
After finishing my shopping, I was ready for dinner. I went to restaurant Sakura and decided to eat out on the terrace, which offers a gorgeous view of American Waterfront. Tonight, I got the black pepper teriyaki chicken roll and cold beer. It's such a perfect combination. The chicken roll was soft and flavorful, with just the right balance of sweetness and spice. Pairing it with the beer made it even better. Eating out here, enjoying delicious food while taking in the twinkling light and gentle breeze, it felt so luxurious. Moments like this are really important to me. It's not just about the attraction, but also these peaceful, memorable experiences. Just as I was finishing up my meal, I started hearing some upbeat, lively melodies coming from nearby. Naturally, I couldn't resist checking it out. Next, I made my way to Cape Cod. My mission? To find the perfect Christmas gift for my mom. Originally, I thought about going to MacDuck department stores for Duffy merchandise, but it was far too crowded tonight. So I've decided to come here instead, and I'm so glad I did. Cape Cod has such a cozy, peaceful vibe, especially in the evening, and it's much quieter place to shop. Thankfully, I was able to find exactly what I was looking for. Mission accomplished. If you're shopping for Duffy item but want to avoid the crowds, I definitely recommend giving Cape Cod a try. Next, it was time to visit one of my absolute favorite, Donald Duck. Afterward, I made my way to the Arabian coast for the ball rolling game, hoping to win the Christmas-themed cushion. The line was long, about an hour, but I've decided to wait since I really wanted the cushion. Wish me luck. Unfortunately, I didn't win, but the consolation prize, a pin, was still super cute. Since I was already in the area, I hopped on my first attraction of the night. I got lucky and had the entire front row to myself, which made for a wonderfully relaxing ride. These things are always a peaceful and charming experience. As the fireworks lit up the night sky, I couldn't help but reflect on how magical this evening has been. Even with just a few hours, there's so much to enjoy at DisneySea. Thank you for joining me on this evening adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Disney experiences. See you!